in Mullin, Texas. Look at how cute this little post office is. Let's take a look at this little town. It'll only take a couple minutes to check this place out. Not much to it. That old truck, beautiful. Old Ford. Dang. Take a better look at that. Wow. This is why I stopped. Look at this building. It is about to fall over. Look at that. Let's look at it. Look at that wall. It's gone. This was the grocery store. Still has the grocery store stuff in there too. Wow. This thing is gone. There's even Ivory soap on the shelf in there. Awesome. Wow. Take a look at the side of this building. Wow. I am betting this was a result of a tornado. I'm willing to bet it was a tornado. Okay, what else in this town? We just have the community center. Nice old building. Very busy today. So, birthday party maybe? I don't know, but very pretty. And there you go. Mullin, Texas. And the Leaning Tower of Mullin. Everybody come by, check this place out before it falls over. Alright, see you around everyone. Remember, you're all dearly loved. Bye-bye. Well, we gotta check this out. This is the Mullin Methodist Church. Beautiful church. Love the limestone and the Stained glass. Beautiful. Here's the cornerstone. Built in 1920 by these distinguished gentlemen. And a Mullin Lodge. Alright, that's it for Mullin. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.